Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable GPU rasterization in Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. GPU rasterization allows Brave to use your graphics card instead of the CPU to render web pages. This improves performance, reduces CPU usage, and makes browsing smoother. Since Brave is also based on Chromium, this feature is available through Brave flags similar to Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Now click on the address bar and type here brave://flags and then press enter on the keyboard. In the search flags box, type GPU. Beside GPU rasterization, click on the drop down menu and choose here enabled option. Now click on the relaunch button. Once Brave restarts, GPU rasterization will be enabled. You should now experience a smoother scrolling and better performance, especially on heavy websites. If you face any issues, you can set it back to default. That's it. This is how you can enable GPU rasterization in Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.